graph, we're going to go f of x equals x cubed. Okay, so my parent function there is x cubed. And I can do different things to that function. So if you think back, sort of hard because you slept a few times, you should have seen something that looked like this at one point in time. It's probably on a handout that I handed you. Can you see that, or is there a glare? All right, you can see that. All right, so your A value and your D value affect the Y's. The B and the C change what happens to your X. There's a crappy little squiggly thing there. So A and D affect the Y, B and C affect your X. If you remember, weird things happen with your X's. Weird things happen with your X's. You broke up for a reason. Don't get back with them. It's weird. Life lesson. All right. So I'm going to have f of x. We're going to go negative 1/3 x plus 1 cubed plus 2. Here's our equation. All right, so everybody there has a job. You've got negative 1/3, you've got a 1, and you've got a 2. We're going to take care of the stuff that happened to the x's first. So it says x plus 1, so you'd think it would go to the right one because it's a plus sign. But weird things happen with your x's, so it's actually going to go the other way. Okay? So the first transformation that would have happened to this graph is you would have had a horizontal shift to the left. Well, actually, we're not going to put 2 there. So you got a horizontal shift left 1. That's the first thing that happened. Okay? After that, we go back to the front of my equation, so the negative 1/3. Negative in front of your equation reflects it. Okay? So the next thing it did is it reflected across the x-axis. So then we have our 1/3. So y's go up and down. They go vertically. So what I have is I have something vertically happening. So I have a vertical stretch. Nope, lied. Vertical compression of 1/3. For your A values, if A is greater than 1, you have a stretch. For your B values, if it's between 0 and 1, you have a stretch. Which way? Okay. The last thing that happens is you have a vertical shift. Up 2. So those are all the transformations that happen to that graph.